Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kedorbash nong Madanrting hak artare ujemang arhaja arpun riu kala Pynurlong ya ka program jingpen ko buram bat kumjoru ka jing Paidbah ya ka ambulance bat ka mortuary van hapelau ka St. Peter's Secondary School Madanrting. Hagani ka sngi lawan banya shimbenta ro konrod kisang ma umentri rangba ka jela kumukongsan haringkat ka jingdon lang uba lambor mal ngyang MLA berim ka nongkrem constituency umusumbot kongsan uba penyat sings MDC berim uba toshan marwan BDO melim CNRD block ki borch nong nalor ki weki pan. Hagani ka sngi ki basyapan ko buram ki kentop ya ki nong try aganwadi ki nong penkot ki riu teman ki balan no karta ki nong elekai sports pat ki weki de. Hagabe day ba kanig sngi umentri rang ba ka jala ulong ba unget ba kinu gi benta ka jing itho wat la ka long ka baret henry ka long ka badon kam ulong ba ka snong Madanrting kari ka wei ka balpan I ya ka nuksa ya borok ka wei ka jala ba kumno ka snong ka thao ka nya tray lang na ka benta ka jing bit jing biang jong ki nong shong snong Nalor kita ulo Kular ru ban chimkia na ka benta ban sna ya ka stadium bat ban pen biang ya ka ombam omdi bat ki weipan nalor ka jingera pisa ka ba arlak tingka sa ki school ki belawan sa khmat hakikam ba per.
Let us all join hands and give a round of applause. Again, let us all give a round of applause for the chief guest and the guest of honor.
A lot of things she has shared about the locality, which of course Palambor has mentioned, and she was mentioning about the retaining wall for the community hall that is there. And she was mentioning that there is a problem, there needs to be immediate repair of that retaining wall, and maybe some fencing also is required. And therefore, as a mark of my appreciation to the service that Kong Mansukh has given to the state, to our people, I am happy to accept her proposal also, and I will be sanctioning the funds required for the retaining wall in the first phase, and the second phase we will do the boundary wall and the fencing, whatever is required. But I think the retaining wall would be more of an emergency, so we can start with that. Apart from that, I really don't know how to put this, but so many of the youngsters from all the schools have performed so well, and really we were mesmerized with your performances, so thank you so much. But apart from saying thank you also, I also would like to contribute 2 lakh rupees to each of the schools so that you can buy cultural equipment, music equipment, sports equipment, whatever equipments you bought. But this is for the schools who performed. Those who didn't perform, I'm sorry. You have to perform next time. So the schools that performed, from my Chief Minister's special grant, for each of the schools, I will give 2 lakh rupees. The children can buy whatever instruments or whatever you would buy for promoting the music and cultural aspect. So apart from that, there are many more things I wanted to share with all of you. But I guess we have already had a long program, and I have to go to Umlinka. After this, I have another program there with the community. So therefore, I will cut short my speech from here. But once again, as I said, I really thank all of you for organizing this wonderful program, and really, more importantly, making me a part of it. I had nothing to do with it. I'm sorry, don't mind when I say this. Actually, I was quite surprised that when I came here, I thought that actually this mortuary van and ambulance was bought with my CMSDF, Chief Minister's Special Grant. And that's what I thought. And that's why I've been called here. So when I came here, I was pleasantly surprised that I had no contribution to this program, zero. And I've just been called here just so that I could be part of this entire wonderful moment with all of you. So it's been amazing, and I really would like to thank all of you for doing all the things you have done, not just by calling me, but also for the felicitation you have done for every individual I was deeply touched, especially when you had felicitated our seniors and our elders out here, because sometimes, as I said, society and people do tend to not give attention and to forget. But today this locality has shown that every single citizen is important and that nobody is left behind. And the kind of love and the appreciation that you've shown to the elders truly touched me also.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.